Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about September 2024 visa bulletin predictions. So, to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. Please hit like and subscribe and don't forget to push the notification bell for upcoming episodes. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Visa Bulletin Predictions for September 2024. Visa Bulletin predictions provide essential insights for millions of individuals awaiting green cards in both employment-based and family-based categories. These predictions estimate when applicants might apply for and obtain their green cards, offering some certainty in an otherwise complex and often opaque process. The Visa Bulletin and its importance. The Visa Bulletin is a critical monthly publication by the U.S. Department of State. It details the availability of immigrant visas green cards for the upcoming month, including the final action dates and dates for filing family-sponsored and employment-based visa applications. These dates indicate the cutoff points for processing applications based on priority dates and the applicant's country of chargeability, typically their country of birth. Understanding priority dates. Priority dates are pivotal in the green card application process. For family-sponsored visas, the priority date is the date the Form I-130 petition for alien relative is filed. For employment-based visas, it is the date the Form I-140 immigrant petition for alien worker is submitted. This date establishes an applicant's place in line for a green card. Visa Bulletin Predictions and Overview. Employment-based categories for fiscal year 2024. The U.S. government estimates approximately 165,000 green cards will be available for employment-based categories in fiscal year 2024. Although this number is lower than the 197,000 available in fiscal year 2023, it is still higher than the 140,000 mandated by law due to the rollover of 25,000 unused family-based green cards from fiscal year 2023. Family-based categories. The family-based categories face significant backlogs. The time to obtain a green card varies based on the petition category and the applicant's country of birth. Here is a detailed breakdown of the expected movements and retrogressions for family-based categories in the September 2024 Visa Bulletin. F1 Unmarried adult sons, daughters of U.S. citizens. Mexico 2 to 3 weeks. Philippines 2 to 4 weeks. All other countries 1 to 2 weeks. F2A spouses, minor, unmarried sons, daughters of lawful permanent residents, LPRs. Mexico 1 to 2 months. All other countries 2 to 3 months. F2 billion unmarried adult sons, daughters of LPRs. Mexico 1 to 2 months. Philippines 2 to 3 weeks. All other countries 1 to 2 weeks. F3 married adult sons, daughters of U.S. citizens. Mexico 3 to 4 weeks. Philippines little or no movement. All other countries 2 to 3 weeks. F4 brothers, sisters of U.S. citizens. Mexico 1 to 2 weeks. India no movement. Philippines 3 to 4 weeks. All other countries no movement. Numerical limits for family-based preference categories. F1 unmarried adult sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. Total 23,400 plus any numbers not required for the fourth preference. F2 spouses and children and unmarried sons and daughters of permanent residents. Total 114,200 plus any numbers by which the worldwide family preference level exceeds 226,000 plus any unused first preference numbers. F2 is 77% of the overall second preference limitation, with 75% exempt from the per-country limit. F2B 23% of the overall second preference limitation. F3 married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. Total 23,400, plus any numbers not required by first and second preferences. F4 brothers and sisters of adult U.S. citizens. Total 65,000, plus any numbers not required by the first three preferences. Employment-based categories. Predictions for September 2024 suggest potential retrogressions and advancements. The U.S. State Department has highlighted high demand in certain categories, which might necessitate retrogressions to manage annual limits effectively. EB1 priority workers. India 5 to 6 months. China 1 to 2 weeks. All other countries remain current. EB2 members of the professions holding advanced degrees or persons of exceptional ability. India 2 to 4 weeks. China 1 to 2 weeks. All other countries little or no movement. EB3 professionals and skilled workers. India 1 to 2 months. China 2 to 4 weeks. All other countries retrogression. EB1 priority workers. Total 28.6% of the worldwide employment-based preference level, plus any numbers not required for fourth and fifth preferences. EB2 members of the professions holding advanced degrees or persons of exceptional ability. Total 28.6% of the worldwide employment-based preference level, plus any numbers not required by first preference. EB3 skilled workers, professionals, and other workers. Total 28.6% of the worldwide level, plus any numbers not required by first and second preferences, with no more than 10,000 allocated to other workers. EB for certain special immigrants totals 7.1% of the worldwide level. EB5 employment creation totals 7.1% of the worldwide level, with 32% reserved for specific investments, 20% for rural areas, 10% for high unemployment areas, 2% for infrastructure projects. The remaining 68% are unreserved and allocated to all other qualified immigrants. The 7% per country cap. U.S. law imposes a per-country limit on the number of green cards issued annually for both family and employment preference categories. No country can receive more than 7% of the total number of family-based FB and employment-based EB preference visas each year. Immediate relatives of U.S. citizens are exempt from these per-country limits. Due to these numerical and per-country caps, wait times vary significantly across different categories and countries. For example, the wait time for U.S. citizens sponsoring their siblings can exceed 15 years for most countries but extends to 20 years for siblings from the Philippines and over 22 years for those from Mexico. The impact of waiting times. Millions of people are waiting for family-sponsored green cards, with hundreds of thousands more awaiting employment-sponsored green cards. Many employment-based applicants are already residing in the U.S. on temporary work visas. When their children turn 21, they risk losing their lawful immigration status, potentially leading to family separations. Immigration success stories. Overcoming the odds. Despite the daunting backlogs and lengthy waits, many immigrants have successfully navigated the U.S. immigration system. Stories of perseverance and resilience highlight the importance of staying informed and proactive throughout the process. Strategies for success. Understanding the intricacies of the visa bulletin and staying updated with monthly changes is crucial. Subscribing to reliable immigration news sources and consulting experienced immigration attorneys can provide valuable guidance and enhance the chances of a successful application. Community and support. Immigrant communities often offer invaluable support networks during the long wait. Engaging with these communities can provide emotional support, practical advice, and a sense of solidarity. Visa bulletin predictions are a vital resource for individuals and families navigating the complex U.S. immigration system. Although the process can be lengthy and challenging, staying informed and proactive can significantly impact the outcome. Understanding current and upcoming changes in visa availability helps applicants better plan their paths toward obtaining a green card. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel US Immigration. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we'll be talking about September 2024 Visa Bulletin Predictions. Visa Bulletin predictions are crucial for individuals awaiting green cards in both employment-based and family-based categories, offering a glimpse into when they might apply for and obtain the green cards amid a complex process. The Visa Bulletin and its importance. Published monthly by the US Department of State, the Visa Bulletin details the availability of immigrant visas, green cards, including final election dates and dates for filing applications for family-sponsored and employment-based visas. These dates signify cutoff points based on priority dates and the applicant's country of chargeability. Understanding priority dates. Priority dates established when a petition Form I-130 for family-sponsored and Form I-140 for employment-based is filed determine a applicant's place in line for a green card. Visa Bulletin predictions and overview. Employment-based categories for fiscal year 2024, the US government estimates 165,000 green cards for employment-based categories in fiscal year 2024, a decrease from 197,000 in fiscal year 2023, but higher than 140,000 mandated by law due to the rollover of unused family-based green cards. Family-based categories. Family-based categories continue to experience significant backlogs with varying wait times based on the petition category and country of birth. Predictions for September 2024 include F1, unmarried adult sons and daughters of US citizens, Mexico 2 to 3 weeks, Philippines 2 to 4 weeks, all other countries 1 to 2 weeks, F2A, spouses and minor unmarried children of lawful permanent residents, LPRs, Mexico 1 to 2 months, all other countries 2 to 3 months. Employment-based categories, predictions suggest potential retrogressions and advancements. EB1, priority workers, India 5 to 6 months, China 1 to 2 weeks, all other countries, current. EB2, member of the professions holding advanced degrees or persons of exceptional ability, India 2 to 4 weeks, China 1 to 2 weeks, all other countries, little or no movement. Numerical limits and the 7% per country cap. US law imposes a 7% per country cap on green card issuers for both family and employment categories, leading to varying wait times. For instance, sponsoring siblings can exceed 15 years for most countries, with extended waits for the Philippines and Mexico. The impact of waiting times. Millions are awaiting family-sponsored and employment-based green cards. Many employment-based applicants face potential issues as their children turn 21, risking family separations. Immigration success stories. Despite backlogs, many immigrants navigate the system successfully. Staying informed, consulting immigration attorneys, and engaging with supportive communities are key strategies for success. Visa bulletin predictions are vital for navigating the US immigration system, helping applicants plan their path to green cards.